Dear student, good morning to all of you. Today we discuss the next topic in a same unit number 15 called as the polymers. The topic we started here, that is called as classification of polymer. Classification of polymer based on biodegradability. Based on biodegradability. Means what? So we discuss here what is the biodegradability or how many types of polymer on the basis of what biodegradability. Okay. So now we discuss first what do you mean by the first topic called as the biodegradability. So it is a phenomena in which we discuss the which types of polymer is. It may be this polymer will be finished after use, and some polymer will be does not finish after use. So on the basis of these properties, the biodegradability will have two types. First called biodegradable polymer, and second is called as a non-biodegradable polymers. Clear? Okay. Clear? So first of all, what do you mean by biodegradability? Or what do you mean by biodegradable polymers? So it is defined as those polymer which easily use and after use it easily finish. It does not create environmental problem. It does not create a environmental problem. So it is called as a biodegradable polymers. Clear? In a simple language, those polymer which easily break down. It does not create a environmental problem. So it is called as a biodegradable polymers. Okay? It is also called as artificial polymers. Clear? So which compound shows the biodegradable polymers? We discuss example here. Example number first, PHBV. It is one type of which polymer? Biodegradable polymer. Biodegradable polymers. So what is the name? PHBV. Poly means P is poly hydroxy butyrate valerate polymers. Polyhydroxy butyrate valerate polymers. It is one type of which polymers? Biodegradable polymers. Second example, nylon 2, nylon 6 polymer. Both two is the example of polymer biodegradable. Those polymer it does not create an environmental problem. It easily break down after use. Clear? So it is called as a biodegradable polymers. Clear? Now we take the second type. What? Non-biodegradable polymers. Opposite to biodegradable polymers. Clear? So those polymer which does not break down easily and it create an environmental problem. So it is called as a non-biodegradable polymers. Clear? The famous example is what? Polythene is the best example of polymers, non-biodegradable polymers. You know polythene. The age of polythene is what? Thousands of years. Clear? The age of polythene was thousands of years. It does not break down easily. It creates an environmental problem. Like that of example, Mumbai, due to the problem of what? Polythene. Clear? Okay. So it is all example of what here? For example, first polythene PVC. PVC is polyvinyl chloride. These both are the example of which polymers? Non-biodegradable polymers. Clear? So on the basis of what? Classification of polymer based on biodegradability, which have two types, biodegradable and non-biodegradable. It easily break down. It does not create environmental problem. It does not break down. It create an environmental problem. Clear? Okay. Now we take the second topic here. Some important polymers. Clear? Now which is some important polymer. So first we take the rubber. Rubber is a natural polymer. Rubber is a natural polymer. Okay. So what is the rubber? What is natural rubbers? We discuss here. Clear? So rubber is come from the tree of lattice form. Clear? Okay. Now it is a less tensile strength. Clear? It has the toughness, less toughness and elasticity. Clear? So what is natural rubber? So the molecular formula or the structure of natural rubber is come from the structure of a isoprene. It means the natural rubber is prepared from the monomer of isoprene. So the natural rubber is also called as the polyisoprene rubber. Why? Because it is prepared from the isoprene. Isoprene unit is will be repeated to each other to form the polyisoprene. So it is called as the natural rubber. The structure is what? CH2 double bond, C single bond, CH3 single bond, CH double bond, CH2. So it is called as the isoprene. Structure of what? Isoprene. Clear? But it is also called what here in the IUPAC name of a given compound 2-methyl. It means we discuss here the number from this carbon, first, second, third and fourth. So it is called the first we take the name of branch and branch added to its position, carbon number 2, so we take the number 2, then CH3 called as methyl, then repeated here carbon number first and third. Okay, carbon first and third can be what here? What? Double bond. So it is called what here? 1, 3. Buta means how many carbon? 1, 2, 3, 4. This 4 called as buta. A diene means any compound which contain a 2 double bonds. So we take diene. Diene is 2. In is a suffix of alkene. So it is called as the 2-methyl, 1,3-butadiene. It is a IUPAC name of a given compound called as isoprene or what? Monomer of what? Polyisoprene or natural rubber. Clear? Okay. Now we take this natural rubber have a different properties, have a different explanation. So in the structure of natural rubber or polyisoprene contain a number of monomer of isoprene is 2000 to 5000. It means the natural rubber or polyisoprene is prepared with the help of 2000 to 5000 monomer of isoprene units. Clear? Okay. Now the repeated unit of isoprene or 2-methyl 1,3-butadiene to each other to form the what? Natural polymer or natural rubber. So it is also called as the repeated repeated unit of isoprene to form the polyisoprene structure form. So we take here CH3, here also CH3. ठीक है? अभी देखो बेटा यहाँ पर एक्चुअली ये जो है ना cis configuration है. It means the natural rubber is prepared from the isoprene by cis configuration. Cis means what? Transferring what? आपको पता है. Cis means two group present on the same position called as cis and two group present on the opposite position called as trans. Clear? Okay. So here what here? This CH3, same here. Only we change their configuration and position here. So this is called as also the isoprene. It is also called isoprene, which are repeated to each other. How many? 2000 to 5000 repeated to each other. This indicate what? These symbol indicate the monomer isoprene repeated to form what here? Polyisoprene or nature. Clear? The structure of this compound is similar to this. Only change the what here? The positions. Clear? Now we take the next here. How to prepare the polyisoprene or natural rubber? If you prepare natural rubber, here natural rubber means those rubber present from the nature. But if we change the what? We can say tensile strength or change the toughness of a rubber. So we also prepare the natural rubber. So how to prepare rubber? So we take the reactions when the what? Isoprene. Same here. It is called monomer of isoprene. CH2 double bond C CH3. Only change here CH3 in the lower side, here CH3 in the upper side. Both are same. Only change the word CH3 position. ठीक है? So isoprene N indicate what? Monomer. If the N used before the compound is called as monomer, after the compound is called as polymers. ठीक है? And the monomer is a single unit, but polymer is thousands of monomer repeated to each other to form the polymers. Clear? So these N indicate a repeated unit here. So the N isoprene is monomer on the polymerization, means preparation of polymer with the help of repeated unit of monomer to form the polymer. This process called as the polymerization. So we take here this group is repeated. Now this bond shifted toward this and this shifted toward this. So what we get? We get this CH. Clear? So we get here the word CH2 here. Okay. Here we get a CH2. Okay. What? CH2. Only change here what? It's a closed form, it's a open form. Okay. This bond shifted towards this carbon with a double bond here. Only we change the position of double bond. The compound is same. So repeated and we take an N is called as the polyisoprene of nature. Clear? If you prepare the addition polymer, only we change the double bond position. Monomer repeated. It is example of addition polymer. If you take a example of condensation polymer, in this compound the compound are joined together to form a small molecule or lost a small molecule. But here addition polymer, only compound are will be rearranged. It may be atom, it will be double bond. So rearrange a double bond to form the polyisoprene of nature. Clear? Okay. So it's all about what some important what polymers is there. Called as rubber or nature rubbers. Clear? Now question asked in examination. Which monomer are used in the preparation of nature rubbers? We take the isoprene. How to prepare the nature rubbers? We take these reactions. With the help of addition reaction, how to prepare nature rubbers? We take these reactions. Clear? Okay. Now question asked in examination. Explain the properties of rubber. You know, it's a simple question. The nature rubber is what? Which have the tensile strength and have a monomer contain a cis double bond configurations and have elastic in nature. Clear? So with the help of our simple point or simple word, we clarify, we write the answer is there what? Properties of which rubber? Nature rubber. Clear? So it's all about the what? Classification based on biodegradability. Clear? Two types, biodegradable and non-biodegradable. Example we take here. Now second we take the some important compound of a polymer, like the first rubber and the natural rubber is there. Okay? Now example, which compound, which structure is there to be shown here. Okay? Now third question asked in right examination or will be explained. Question asked in examination. How to change the properties of rubber? It means how to change the toughness, tensile strength or strongness of rubber. Which process are involved to change the toughness, tensile strength and elasticity of a rubber. So the one types of or one famous phenomena called as the vulcanization of rubber, which is a process to change the toughness, hardness, elasticity of the what? Nature rubbers. Clear? So we discuss in our next lecture. So what is the process of vulcanization? How to prepare a strong rubber with the help of vulcanization process? Which compound are used to add a nature rubber to change the toughness and so on. Clear? So in a simple language, we discuss about here the rubbers, its what properties and its types of a polymer based on biodegradability. Clear? So it's all about this topic. अब आपको क्या करना है, इसमें से बेटा जो भी टॉपिक हो गया हमारा पॉलीमर्स का, वो पूरा पॉलीमर्स को आपके पास जो पीडीएफ अवेलेबल है बुक, तो वो बुक को आपको सर देखना है और देखने के बाद जो है उसमें से नोट्स तैयार करने हैं. जो पॉइंट इजी पॉइंट है जो मैं आपको बता रहा हूँ वीडियो में, तो वो पॉइंट उसमें ऐड करने हैं और कुछ पॉइंट इसमें बुक में दिए हैं। पूरा A to Z जो है तो नोट्स को रिटर्न नहीं करना है, जो बुक दी है उस पर वैसे छापना नहीं आता। सिंपल आपको कुछ पॉइंट लेने हैं, जो पॉइंट में समझा रहे हैं उसे नोट्स बनाने हैं। इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट जो होती है उसको हम लोग व्हाट की पॉइंट्स, वो नोट्स में ऐड करने हैं। क्लियर? अब कुछ प्रॉब्लम है अगर आपको तो आप फ्रेंडली कॉल कर सकते हो। ओके, थैंक यू सो मच।